everyone, and welcome to Calm Creations Crafttube Flosstube. My name is Tia. This morning, early hours, I had one of those moments, and I had a thought about my cross stitching, and I've come up with a little plan. So I haven't cross stitched for quite a while because of going back to work full time, but I thought this way I may be able to do a little bit of stitching, a bit more than I have been doing. So I have a bowl here. Now in here is 13 projects. These are the smaller ones that I've got that are achievable for a finish. So what I thought I would do is I would work on 4 a month, so 1 a week, and hopefully that will give it a good nudge to get some stitches in. So I'm going to draw, I'm already part way through week 1 of May, but it still gives me a few days to be able to get some stitching in. So I thought I would draw four numbers, and this is what I'll be working on for the month of May. Now, do I do it, or should I just do it for the week, so then it's a surprise the next week? Yeah, okay. Here's my first one. Okay, it is number 1, which on my list is Australia. Australia, and that's by Pixel Stitch. So I'll pause the video, I'll run and grab it and show you where we're at, and then we can get some stitches into it. Okay, won't be a minute. Okay, right, I'm filming this early Thursday morning, and I'm ready for work, so I'm going to try and quickly get this done and uploaded before I have to go to work. Okay, so there is Australia and where I'm up to. So let me find my folder. Where did I put that? Ooh, where did I put it? I've lost it. Hang on a minute. Oh no, where's it gone? Where did I put it? Oh, in here. Okay, right. So this is Australia and what it will look like when it's finished, and it's by Pixel Stitch on Etsy, and I'm stitching it on 14 count white Aida 2/2, and I started this on the 24th of August 2019. So that's what I'll be working on this week, and so my floss tubes will start again on a hopefully a Monday, because I don't work Mondays. So that's my plan, and we will try and get some stitches into this piece, and I will also be working on my piece from Hands-On Design and the Fat Quarter Shop, so I've got to get that finished as well. But that is my idea, and hopefully it will work, but yeah, I need to get some stitching done. So okay, I hope you enjoyed that quick, crazy, fast floss tube update, and I will see you all again on Monday. Thanks, bye.